Welcome back to Grammar Grade 12. I'm really glad you're here. This is Unit 8, Lesson 61, and today we're clearing up two pairs of words that trip up even strong writers. Good versus well, and bad versus badly. They sound almost interchangeable, but each pair splits along one clean line. Is the word describing a thing or describing an action? Once you can hear that difference, you'll always know which one to reach for. Let's get into it. Before we dig in, here's the whole lesson in one breath. Good and bad are adjectives. They describe nouns and subjects. Well and badly are usually adverbs. They describe how an action happens. So which one you reach for depends entirely on the verb. After a linking verb, a verb of being or sensing, like is, feel, look, smell, or taste, you want the adjective. Modifying an action verb, you want the adverb. Get that one distinction and all four words sort themselves out. Let's take them one at a time. First, good. Good is always an adjective. It never, ever modifies a verb. It does one of two jobs. It can sit right in front of a noun and describe it. A good plan, a good book, a good friend. Or it can follow a linking verb and point back to the subject. The soup tastes good. Your idea sounds good. In both cases, it's describing a thing, not an action. So here's the takeaway for good. If the word is describing a thing, a person, or an idea, good is your word. Now, well. And well leads a double life. Most of the time, well is an adverb that tells how an action is done. She sings well. He plays the piano well. The team worked well together. Notice each of those modifies an action verb. Sings, plays, worked. But well has a second job. When it means in good health, well is actually an adjective. I feel well today. You look well after your vacation. There, well isn't describing an action. It's describing the state of the person. Here's the mistake to watch for. People say sings good when they mean sings well. Singing is an action, so it needs the adverb. She sings well. Next, bad. Bad is an adjective, plain and simple. You'll use it most often after a linking verb, a verb that senses or describes a state rather than an action. Here's the one everybody trips over. I feel bad about the mistake. Not badly, bad. Feel is a linking verb here, so it takes the adjective. The same goes for the other sensing verbs. The milk smells bad. The sky looks bad. This plan seems bad. Whenever the verb is feel, look, smell, taste, or seem, reach for the adjective bad. Now its partner, badly. Badly is an adverb, and it modifies an action verb. It tells us that an action was done poorly. He played badly in the final. The choir sang badly last night. The old car ran badly in the cold. In every one of those, something is actually happening. Playing, singing, running. And badly tells us how it happened. So the rule of thumb is simple. When an action is done poorly, describe it with badly. Now let's boil all four words down to a single test. This is the heart of the whole lesson. Whenever you're unsure, ask one question. Is the verb showing a state or an action? Look at these two sentences side by side. I feel bad. Feel here is a linking verb. It's describing my state, how I am, not something I'm doing. A state calls for the adjective, so it's bad. Now, he's saying badly. Saying is an action verb. It's something he actually did. An action calls for the adverb, so it's badly. That's the whole trick. If the verb is a state of being, use the adjective, good or bad. If the verb names an action, use the adverb, well or badly. Let's turn everything into a quick check you can run in a second. Step 1. Is the word describing a noun or the subject? A thing, not an action. Then you want good or bad, the adjectives. Step 2. Is it telling you how an action is carried out? Then you want well or badly, the adverbs. Step 3. Does it come right after a sensing verb like feel, look, smell, or taste? Those are linking verbs, so use the adjective, good or bad. And step 4, the special case. If you mean in good health, the word is well. Run those 4 steps and you'll never mix these up again. Let's practice. Time to practice. In this first set, every sentence gives you a choice between good and well. Think about whether the word is describing a thing or telling how an action happens. And remember the health exception. Pause the video and choose before I reveal each answer. She speaks French blank after years of practice. Good or well? Speaking is an action, and we need a word that tells how she speaks. That's the job of an adverb. So the answer is well. She speaks French well. This warm bread tastes blank. Good or well? Here, taste is a linking verb. It isn't an action. It's describing the bread itself. A description of a thing calls for the adjective, so the bread tastes good. Dana went home early because she did not feel blank. Good or well? The clue is that she went home sick. When we're talking about health, being well or unwell, the word we want is well, used here as an adjective. She did not feel well. Now the second set. This time the choice is between bad and badly. Ask yourself whether the verb is a linking verb, describing a state, or an action verb, describing something done. Pause and choose before I answer. I feel blank about forgetting your birthday. Bad or badly? This is the classic trap. Feel here is a linking verb. It's describing my emotional state, not an action my hands are performing. A state takes the adjective, so the answer is bad. I feel bad about forgetting your birthday. The orchestra performed blank without its conductor. Bad or badly? Performing is an action. The musicians are actually doing something. To tell how they performed, we need an adverb. So the orchestra performed badly. That forgotten carton of milk smells blank. Bad or badly? Careful here. Smells is a linking verb, describing the milk, not an action the milk is performing. If we said smells badly, we'd be claiming the milk has a poor sense of smell. The milk smells bad. Let's pull it all together. Good and bad are adjectives. Reach for them after a linking verb, when you're describing a thing or a state. The soup tastes good. I feel bad. Well and badly are adverbs. Reach for them to tell how an action is carried out. She sings well. The team played badly. And keep that one exception in your back pocket. Well doubles as an adjective when it means healthy, as in, I feel well again. The whole lesson really comes down to a single move. Look at the verb. A state of being takes the adjective. An action takes the adverb. Next time, in Lesson 62, we'll tackle double negatives, why slipping two negative words into one sentence can quietly cancel your meaning out. I'll see you there.